Hello everybody. Well, it's been a while since I've put anything out because I was actually in intensive care in ICU. I got sepsis, so I've been really sick, but I'm on the mend and I'm doing good. But I did create this for you guys here right now. This is for the Faber Castell, the Polychromos, okay? It's a color chart, and what I'm gonna show you a couple things here. It's available on my Etsy, like all the rest of my stuff. But what I did is I put it in tones. Like we got blue tones, we got green tone, bluish green tones. We've got greens, green yellows. I put them all into all the various tones to make it really easy for you. All right. Also, when you're filling these out, I have a little hack. I have a hack for you too, okay? This is really cool though, this one here. And plus it's really fun. It's really fun to fill these all in. If you really want to learn your pencils, you just start dark and go light. I'll show you what I mean, but this is a really great way for you to learn all the Faber Castells on the Polychromos. You get to practice filling them in and using every single pencil and seeing what the differences are in each pen, in the pencils and stuff. But I wanted to show you something, so I'm going to show you my little hack that I've got here. All right, so let me just grab a color. I don't know, let's see what color this is here. Phthalo blue 110. Okay, so let's just say we're going to do this one here, okay? So I'm going to show you actually how you fill these in. Let me go here like this. Okay, so we got here phthalo blue. So you want to make sure that you're using the right pen. Now these are really hard. These pencils are really hard to read. So what I did is at first I took white paint and just kind of brushed it. So now you can see the colors a lot better. But it's still hard. So I got a better hack for you than that. But you know what I mean. If you've ever used these pencils before, here's a good example of it. See what I mean? You have to twist it and you have to turn it. You got to do everything to try to find it. And like I say, putting a little white white and just blending it in kind of takes the engravings and makes it pop out a little bit, but it's still hard for me when I was doing this with my eyes. So let me show you what I figured out. Okay, so let's say we're doing this one. Okay, when you're filling them out, the very first thing you got to do is just do it really lightly, as light as you can, just so you can have the lights, the shades, so you can go from dark to light. So what we're going to do is just very lightly just fill it in. So see what I mean? So now you've just got a nice base, all really light. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come down over here and you're going to like make it start pushing really hard and making it darker. So what we're going to do is we're going to so you see how I'm pushing really hard. Now what's good about these Faber Castell, the Polychromos, is the tips don't break, so you can push really hard. And you want a really dark version, saturated. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go lighter. So you're going to start going darker into medium, into light. So push darker, go light, push darker. And then what you're going to do is you just want to go from dark to the lightest version, so you can see how that all the stuff that this pencil does for you. Okay, so let's push here and then go across and see what I mean. See how everything's all nice and shaded. But you want to start really dark. Now, if you want to start blending in, just do like this, my little flicking technique, the way when I color my flowers. Okay, so now we got from dark all the way to light. Okay, now I'm going to show you a trick here that I figured out. So let's say we want to do these to all our pencils, because we're trying to really learn our colors. Okay, sorry, I gotta lift this up. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is you want to cut out. You're gonna first fill in the whole sheet. Okay, just like mine was. Fill the whole sheet out. Okay, you might want, and you can either use, you got to do it twice though, because you're gonna have to cut these out. So the one you're gonna fill out, you keep for your references and keep it in a 3-ring binder, okay? But then on these, you're gonna want to cut out each one of these. So so you get to color the color chart in twice actually, which it's fun anyway. It's really fun to do. Okay, so let's just cut it out. See? Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab them. Here, let me go back. You don't need to be so close for this. Okay, then grab some Scotch tape here. Oops. All right, let me get rid of that. Sorry, it's a new one. All right, grab some tape, like so. Voila. Okay. Then just take your pencil. See how great an idea this is? And then you got a true to life form of what it looks like, and then you just put your tape on and just flip it around. See? Now look, now when you want to read your pencils, all your pencils will be done here. So after you fill the whole thing out, you cut them out like this, and then look at that. Now when you want to read it, no problem at all, okay? It's all there, done, and good. So now what I did is, when you get these kits, this one here is what I colored by hand, so that way it's more of a true to life. All right, let me see if I can focus it. Sorry, it's not focusing. It's not too close here. Let's go back maybe just a little bit. But I'm also giving you guys another one here that I did on my computer for you, which is it's a lot bolder. So if you want to use these, you can just print out 2 of these on your computer, and then you can then you don't have to color them all in. You could just cut them and then just put them on your pencils, okay, without having to color the whole thing in. But it's fun to color it in. But if you want one that's going to be like that's going to be where it's like more true to life, exactly like your pencil, then you color them in yourself. Whereas from the printer, it's not going to be exact. But if you, like I say, if you do it on your own on the chart, that's going to be exactly what your pencil looks like. So just depends on what you want to do. If you want to go, kind of the lazy way and just get it done real quick to do your pencils, that's fine. Then just use this and just print it out and start cutting away. So I have all this available for you on my Etsy channel. Okay, and it's really fun to fill out if you really want to learn your pencils. Okay, so thank you very much for tuning in, and I got a lot more. I'm feeling much better now, so I'm gonna have lots of new stuff for you coming out really soon. Okay, so thank you very much. I will talk to you later. Bye bye.